Today I will be splitting text by its length in Power Query. And what's important about our data? That's each section has different length. For example, person is the most lengthy part and it's 30 characters. Then we also have characters we don't want to. So this semicolon, those pipes, we want to remove them. And we have here a date. Let's say it's a date, not exactly, it's number as a date. So we will need to fix it, and we also need to fix our currencies because we have different formats for currencies. And how can we do it in Power Query? First of all, we have to import our data from table, so data tab from table range to Power Query, and then when we have this text column, we can go to Home tab and split column by position, not by number of characters, because each column will get the same length. We need to have different lengths, so by position. And we don't, okay, now we have a hint. We have to write this like this, and those numbers we see here are from the start of the text, so from 0 position. So we have to start from 0, then comma, 30, 31, 39 and 41. In those positions we will get split by columns, and we can press OK. And for now change type isn't necessary. Let's go to split column by position step, and we can see that in this situation we have 5 new columns, and we can rename this column in formula bar from text 1 to person. Okay, person. Text 2 it can stay because we will be deleting this column, and also text 4. So here should be a date, and here should be payout. Let's say it's payout, and enter, and we now get results. And this time change type is I want to leave because now it's changing the proper named columns, and we can see person as a text. Yes, text 2 we don't want to, we want to delete it, and we can just with control select also text 4 and press delete key. So we only have now 3 columns with proper data. So we have date as integer, so it's not correct yet, but we can change here for date and insert the step and replace current. Okay, and now we have proper date because Power Query recognizes this format as a date when I force it on him. Okay, so it's proper date. And payout, we can see from the previous step we have different pounds and pounds, the symbol of pounds on different position, and in each case Power Query fix it. So we have currency data tab, currency type, but because I have home file, options and settings, query options, for this current workbook regional settings are English, United Kingdom, and with those local regional settings Power Query fix each and every column properly. If the format for a date or currency wouldn't match the values, we can also click on the icon in the header of the column and use local, and we can then check what data type we want, and also the local format for it. So we have many English formats, but there are many different formats for this situation, and I'm from Poland. Yes, Polish is also here, but it's not need for this case. We can just go to Home tab, close, and load to export this proper table, proper split text into Excel.